Storm Dennis is doing his worst. The water's pretty high already. There's my feet. You can see the water just leaping down there. The grass has disappeared over the road already. So just keep an eye on the weather and the flood warnings just in case. About 8 o'clock now, and we've just had an automated call from Natural Resources Wales to say that we've got a flood warning on the street. So the water's here now, 2:30 in the morning. I just had a shit feeling, and this is our drive, and that's the river. It's in the street. I just hope the neighbours are all okay. I'm shaking. That's the fence over there, I don't know if you can see. The River Taf is now swallowed up Zion Street. That is mental. How are you feeling?
Wet. Wet.
It's about 4 AM now. I don't know if you can see, but the fence has pretty much gone over the road. You can't see, but we've made a desperate attempt to tie the car to the railings. The front wheels have gone completely. But we've made a desperate attempt to tie it to the railings here, because not because we want to save the car, but we want to save we want to save the car from floating off and smacking into other people's houses.
Who ended up in Cardiff?
I'm not sure how successful we're going to be, because this is unbelievable. Hope everyone's safe. Morning from my street. It's a bit wet.